My name is Paul Gregory. I'm a solutions engineer at Skillable. Some of you might know me because I run the regular monthly lab developer workshops, and I'd like to talk to you about the lab developer workshop on the 23rd of February. About a year ago, we ran a lab developer workshop on API integration and talked about the way that we could improve the integration between external systems and our platform by the use of our API and some of the features and capabilities that our API provided. In January, we released a whole series of updates to our platform to actually enable that integration to be even better. So we released some additional new webhooks that we would like to share with you and show you how they work, talk about usage scenarios, and also get you some hands-on exploring the webhook capability. So these can actually significantly improve the integration between the Skillable Studio and your platform. But this could also be used in scenarios where you want to actually just be able to send data about lab activities. So you might even not be necessarily using an external system. You might be using the Skillable TMS, and you still want to use webhooks to be able to send data externally, and we can now have that capability. So please join me in February for the Lab Developer Workshop, and we will explore all these features and capabilities. Thank you very much.